Hello, Tim Gregory here. I'm on my way home from work right now, but last night I had the most amazing evening, and I have to tell you about it. I signed up for this product that I heard about. It's called CashGrab, and it's with Jamie Lewis. And part of the package is uh, one night a week coaching with Jamie Lewis. It's awesome. So last night was the first night I was on. He discussed what he was going to discuss and what he was going to tell us. And then he decided to, along with Crypto Girl, bring me on and show me some stuff. But I just want to say we spent about 3 hours going over a lot of different information, and there was other people on, and the webinar was awesome. And I just want to tell you that if you're looking for something new, some kind of business that you want to start, or just get some more information or training on what you're already doing, that Jamie and Crypto Girl are awesome, and you should check out his Cash Grab and try to make it onto the Wednesday night trainings. It'll be well worth your time. It was amazing. It was way more than I expected, and I learned so much. It was just a fun time. But this is the first chance I've had to mention it, and I just felt like I needed to put this out there and tell you how amazing they were to just take me, nobody, and show me a bunch of stuff that I can really use, a lot of golden nuggets. And I just really recommend that you check them out. Both of them, Jamie Lewis and Crypto Girl. They both are doing amazing things in the online industry. And that's all I wanted to say. Have a good night.